Hey everyone, today again we welcome to our YouTube channel. And if you are a first time coming on our YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel and also like the video and share with your friends so that your friend also can apply for this and earn stacks from Google Cloud. And this is hashtag Diwali in the cloud powered by Google. So let's understand how you can apply and what's the process by which you can get good amount of swags and well learning experience during the Diwali as well. So this is the link that I will share in the description as well. You can visit, and in this you can see Google has powered this Diwali's festival. During festival, you can earn swags with good amount of learning as well. Okay, so let's see one by one step what the step by which you can get this swags. So celebration Diwali with quick labs. So this is the headline of the program, and join the Diwali challenge with us. Boost your cloud skill. Earn the game badge below and share on social media with Diwali in the cloud to get chance to win Google Cloud's goodies. This game will be active from 1st November to 9th November. So it's already activated. So now you have to just complete the step till 9th November. But most importantly, may you and your family friends have a safe and happy Diwali. And I also welcome you and wish you a happy and prosperous Diwali to you and your family as well. What the next chapter you have to follow? First, you have to use this code and you have to click on play now button. So let's see, like when I click on play now button, so it's asking me to log in it. Okay, so you have to log in it, and then you have to click on Google Cloud Skill Boost and join the game. You can play each lab up to 5 times to get your best scores. Means you have to find your best score, 5 best score, and the last one, or you can say the best one, will be counted for your there. And then there will be a leaderboard in which your rank will be there during that you have earned during the 1 to 9th November. Okay, it says earn points by completing each of the lab objective as fast as you can. Means you have to do as much as lab you can during 9th November till 9th November. And it says good luck, your position at the leaderboard doesn't matter when it comes to prizes for this challenge. Okay, so it doesn't matter like when you are coming first on the leaderboard, you are coming last on the leaderboard, you will get prizes. If you want any help from them, you can just click on help, they will guide you. And the game badge, get a chance to take one of the exciting goodies. So you can see the goodies, the bottle will be there, notebook will be there, the one prize that you will be getting. Okay, and here it says the and complete one of the skill badge, we will get add a sticker pack to your shipment as well. Means if you complete one of these skill badges, they will also add sticker to your shipment. Okay, requirement, what you have to do for this, let me enlarge you for you. Requirement says skill badge completed during date must be same date time frame that we have Diwali challenge. Means the badge that you have to complete during 1 to 9th November only. Okay, you must also complete the Diwali 2021 challenge badge to be eligible for the sticker pack. If you want a sticker pack, then you have to also complete Diwali 2021 challenge badge, then you are eligible for a sticker pack also. Okay, then says select any of the below badges and use code this, and to get free access you will get 1 lakh free. Then upon successfully completing it, you will activate 1 month free. Means if you complete any one of this, then you will get all 1 month free access for all of the before. If said already started the batch, great, go ahead and finish up. Already complete some of the batches listed, great work, choose one of them. Means they said if you have done already, so you should try to create a new account, then only you are eligible for this contest. Okay, so if you have done all the four, then you have to make a new account, then you can go for it. It's my suggestion, I'm not recommending it. Okay, why should I join the challenge? Just one only you will get free access to valuable hands-on training. Means you will get free training by the quick labs. You will earn badges as well. What level of set is required for this challenge? Nothing. You can start from basic knowledge as well if you have. Are you new to quick labs? This is for you. Go for it. Is any purchase required? No. They will provide you all the things. How long do I have to complete the challenge? During 1 to 9 November, you have to complete all the challenges. Then only you are eligible for the goodies. What if I don't complete all the labs in the game before it ends? Keep an eye on the start and end time, always visible at the top of every game page. The leaderboard you will get to know. Why would the challenge end early? What? we do our best to grade, means they provide you great experience for you all, and they will also try to provide you goodies if you complete one of the challenges during this period. One of the labs is down for maintenance, I cannot complete the game, and what should I do? Try to do complete another lab, then only you are going to get goodies. Can I share the challenge with coworkers? Yes, they want to share it with you as well. You can share in every social media, you can share with your friends, family, and everyone that you want. I'm also participating in other Q Club and Google Cloud program. Yes, you are eligible. It doesn't matter if you are participating in another program, you are eligible or not. You are eligible. Will I receive a certificate after completion? No, this is only batch you will get after completing it. I don't see any score update in the next. It take time nearly. You can say take time 1 day at least. They will update you. It says 24 hours. I can get into an issue. Not answering the FAQ. Where can I just click on this help icon button that they have mentioned? Okay. Here says prizes are available only while supplies last. Means you have to participate as soon as possible. First come first serve, that will be there. Okay. So the game may end early also. So make sure you should try to apply as soon as possible. If you want more question, just go to a forum. They will show you more questions. Okay. So it's all about this game, and please guys register as soon as possible. Then only you're going to grab this opportunity. And again, a happy Diwali and prosperous Diwali. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and share with your friends so that your friends can also take a benefit of it. Thank you. Have a great